Hello and welcome to FTC Recap. My name is Ashray and I'll be taking you through the past few weeks in the Chesapeake region.
Giving you a voice.
Making it loud our own way.
Welcome to the fun.
We would like to thank our friends at Stryker for supporting fun so we can continue to make content for you. Stryker makes some of the most revolutionary medical equipment and is a big supporter of FIRST and its participants. If you are looking for an internship or career that supports you being in FIRST, check out careers.stryker.com to learn more. You can also directly support Fun by joining Fun Nation. Click the join button and just for a few bucks a month, you'll unlock special perks and directly support us so we can keep making great content. If you're on an FRC or FTC team and you're currently meeting safely in person and have a functional robot, we'd love to have you on our Behind the Bots or Behind the Bumper segments. Go ahead and reach out to us on any of our social channels, on Discord, or send us an email at admin@firstupdatesnow.com and let's get your team scheduled to be on First Updates Now.
This season, the Virginia, DC, and Maryland regions combined to form one single, larger Chesapeake region. Due to local COVID-19 regulations, our region was able to allow for both remote and hybrid-style gameplay. Remote events allowed teams to compete their robots on their own and record their match scores, whereas hybrid competitions allowed teams to compete in a 2v0 style format, where each team was assigned an alliance partner in advance of the event. Kicking it off with Week 1, Chesapeake saw some crazy scores in the first remote event. 97-94, Wizards.exe took the win, averaging 265 points over the course of 6 matches with a high of 294. Next up, 14-7-95 Bionic Enforcers and 54-21 Armed and Dangerous took second and third place with average scores of 130 and 129 respectively. Wizards.exe ended up also winning the Inspire Award. In Week 2's hybrid events, 12-0-96 Absolute Zero and 12-5-18 Almond Robotics won the event with an average score of 150 across all 5 of their matches, and had a high score of 174 points. 49-91 Gear Freaks and 15-308 Fairy Tale had the highest score at the event with 198. Congrats to the Electron Volts for winning the Inspire Award at this competition as well. Week 3 had 2 hybrid events. In Fulton, Maryland, 97-94 Wizards.exe came back at it with their alliance partner 16-270 Galestrom, and won with an average score of 251 and a high of 287. 17-037 Moko Studs ended up winning the Inspire Award at that qualifier. During the same weekend, over in Colonial Heights and Shenandoah, Virginia, 46-34 Frogbots and Team 7, the Tactical Sheep, won the robot competition with an average of 179 and a high of 233. 16-439 AlphaGo and 14-616 Technorats followed suit, averaging 165 points. Here, 46-34 Frogbots ended up taking home the Inspire Award. The following week, there was a remote event that ended up setting new Chesapeake records. 16-439 AlphaGo put up a crazy 316-point average with a high of 360. 8702 Robotics and 18305 Singularity followed with an average scores of 249 and 226 respectively. Here, 15561 Exponential ended up winning the Inspire Award. Over at our next hybrid event, 97-94 Wizards.exe played with 9957 Robocraft to win on a large margin with a whopping 238-point average and high of 330. 18914 AlphaGo Trions and 18792 Penguins Robotics placed in second when scored an average of 175 with a high of 193. Congratulations to 4924, the Red Bearded Pandas, for winning the Inspire Award. Finally, the last week was jam-packed with more strong scores. In Fulton, Maryland, 17080 Newt.exe and 7393 Electron Volts won with an average score of 238 and a high of 272. 3796 Talons and 14923 finished in second with an average of 182 and a high of 230. Newt.exe also ended up winning the Inspire Award here. On the same day, over in Colonial Heights and Shenandoah, Virginia, 13804 Powhatan Spear and 4634 Frogbots scored an average of 208 and a high of 293, while 18305 Singularity and 14575 Capital Bots trailed closely behind with an average of 200 and a high of 252. Capital Bots also ended up taking home the Inspire Award. And that concludes our region recap for the Chesapeake region. Overall, we've seen some crazy high scores and great potential from a lot of teams, and I can't wait to see what they do with the district championships right around the corner. Be sure to stay tuned in to the coming weeks for a lot more recaps to come. As always, to make sure your team and region get featured on FTC Recap, make sure that your region submits their scores to the Orange Alliance and has videos posted as well. Until next time, good luck teams!
We would like to thank our friends at Stryker for supporting this video. Stryker is looking for current and future FIRST alumni to join their internship program, and FIRST mentors who are looking for a great career with a company who actually supports their FIRST journey. Go to careers.stryker.com to learn more. You can also directly support Fun by joining Fun Nation. Click the join button, and just for a few bucks a month, you'll unlock special perks and directly support us so we can keep making great content. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay up to date on our new videos. Keep the conversation going and provide your input to our content. Watch our live shows at twitch.tv/firstupdatesnow. Join our Discord at discord.gg/firstupdatesnow. And check out Fun FTC on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and First Updates Now on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter.